Scene 1, Wild Animals. Setting, dense jungle. Characters, Jane, explorer, guide, monkeys, tigers. Jane, an intrepid explorer, and her guide venture into a dense jungle. Monkeys swing from trees, chattering excitedly. Suddenly, a majestic tiger appears, its stripes shimmering in the sunlight. Jane observes the wild animals in awe, capturing their natural beauty. Scene 2, Ocean Animals. Setting, coral reef. Characters, divers, fish, dolphins, sea turtles. Divers explore a vibrant coral reef teeming with life. Colorful fish dart between corals, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Nearby, playful dolphins swim gracefully, their clicks echoing underwater. A gentle sea turtle glides by, symbolizing the calmness of the ocean. Scene 3, Insects. Setting, lush meadow. Characters, children, butterflies, bees, ants. A group of curious children explores a lush meadow, fascinated by the tiny world of insects. Butterflies flutter gracefully, their wings painted in various hues. Bees buzz around, diligently collecting nectar. The children observe ants working together, showcasing the insects' remarkable teamwork. Scene 4, Wild Animals. Setting, Savannah. Characters, rangers, elephants, lions, giraffes. Rangers patrol the vast savanna, where majestic elephants roam freely. In the distance, a pride of lions rests under the shade of an acacia tree, their golden coats blending with the landscape. Graceful giraffes nibble leaves from tall trees, portraying the wild beauty of the savanna. Scene 5, Ocean Animals. Setting, deep ocean. Characters, submarine crew, bioluminescent fish, giant squid. In a high-tech submarine, scientists descend into the deep ocean. Bioluminescent fish illuminate the darkness, creating a surreal atmosphere. Suddenly, a giant squid with tentacles as long as a bus glides past the submarine, showcasing the mysteries of the deep sea. Scene 6, Insects. Setting, Amazon rainforest. Characters, researchers, beetles, dragonflies, army ants. Researchers trek through the Amazon rainforest, discovering a plethora of insects. Colorful beetles crawl on tree trunks, displaying intricate patterns. Graceful dragonflies zip through the air, showcasing their agility. The researchers observe in awe as a massive army of ants marches efficiently, underscoring the harmony of nature. Scene 7, Conclusion. Setting, Nature Conservation Conference. Characters, scientists, conservationists, children. Scientists and conservationists gather at a conference, discussing the importance of preserving wild animals, ocean animals, and insects. Children, inspired by their experiences, share their newfound knowledge, emphasizing the need to protect Earth's diverse species. The conference ends on a hopeful note, highlighting the collective effort to safeguard the planet's incredible biodiversity. Feel free to expand upon these scenes or modify them to fit your specific needs.